Okay, making paella, first step is to fry the squid and the mussels, the mussels were pre-boiled. It's got olive oil and garlic. These are the mussels that were pre-boiled, what's left of them. We got some stock, I don't know if it's beef or chicken or fish stock, and then saffron. Pesto, which is a mix of tomato, red pepper, green pepper, cucumber, no cucumber, squash, and onion, refried with arms. The shrimp, big shell, beheaded, con los demás, la cabeza.
La cabeza está ya en así.
Okay, so put the heads over here, ¿qué más pusiste aquí? Close with garlic. The shrimp and the lettuce and the flash frying. Saffron. And here's the mix, the pre-fried mix of those scoops of rice. She's gonna mix it. Rice and the sofrito are mixed, and she throws in the shrimp and some of the mussels. The broth is added, the stock is added, and everything is mixed well. And that is all boiled. It's got two birds going, the little one, the big one in the bag, and then she decided to take the shells out and put the clams, the baby clams in there. It's boiling, and here comes the clams. She decided to take the clams out of the shell. Normally you don't. I mean, it's a personal preference. You have to be messing with the shells after the fact. Shells are very good. Okay, so this has to boil for around 20 minutes, and then off the fire, and has to rest, settle for another 10. And that's the water is going down, still cooking. Has a little bit to go, maybe 10 more minutes, and then 10 more minutes of settling, resting, no fire. Okay, and this is the finished product, ready to serve. Plenty of shrimp, it smells wonderful.